So you've gotten a bad undercut, and I can tell you from experience, it's an absolute nightmare to fix if you are a professional. So let's talk about if you're a client first and you experience a bad undercut, right? And yes, undercut haircuts are still a thing. You know, it's a great haircut. It works for many, many situations and different types of hairstyles. But in my professional career, I've had many clients come to me, you know, for the first time that, you know, a barber's cutting their hair or somebody's cutting their hair that has completely massacred the undercut. So I know what you're probably thinking, oh, it's an undercut. How can you screw it up? Just shave everything underneath, let that top hang over, and you're good. But no, that's not the case. So let's go over what I've done is I've pre-cut 2 nightmare scenarios that I've come across, and please let me know in the comments below if you've come across this. The first one, if you could see up front here, this is actually much harder to deal with if it's really, really bad, is you have an undercut where the parting is uneven or very, very jagged like so, all right? Now, this isn't the end of the world, it's not the worst case scenario, but the way to fix this, and if it is fixable, is literally to just even out that line, right, in through here. You even it out to create an even straight undercut parting. Now the problem is when it's always easier to fix something when there's 1 or 2 pieces that are lower and then everything else is even because you can balance it out. The problem is when, which will be on the other side, which I'll show you, but if you've got pieces where it's very low and then some of the other parts are so high up that it's like really, really jagged or really uneven, and like that is really, really an issue, like even like this. So continuing on where it's really high up here, right, as you can see, really high up, and then it dips down and through here, and the entire back is like uneven, right? It's just a complete monstrosity. Then you've got to cut it all the way up here to make it work out. And that's why undercuts and doing haircuts like this, it may seem like a very simple type of process, but it really, really could mess your hair up if not done properly. Then what's going to happen, it's going to take like a year and a half, depending on how long you want your hair, just for that area to grow. It's like when somebody cuts off, you know, tries to create like a hairline on you and shaves off the widow's peak or tries to give you an edge up where you don't really need one or you never wanted one. Next thing you know, your hairline is totally butchered and ruined, and you've got these little hairs growing in that you either need to get shaved or shaped up every like week, or you have to let your hair grow out for like 7 or 8 months until your hairline grows back. So the second scenario is if, this is a big one here, which I've seen also many, many times, is if the hair itself and the undercut section is just way too high, right? Like this. So let's take a look at this. Now, if this is the hairstyle that you want, right? This actually could be a lot higher, but then it's gonna look like a mohawk. But if, for example, it's way too high, like it looks okay here, but then as you turn your head and look, see how it goes like even and then it goes way up in through here, when in fact it should be like following this, the round of the head. If you have that where it goes way too high, I hate to say it, but you're gonna have to start growing that out. Unless you're really, really happy and you're okay with it being that high up and you're gonna live with it, no problem. Or, you know, you may want to even this out, but the problem is you don't ever wanna cut into this because then you're gonna have all this hair gone and it's gonna look like a mohawk. So if you can salvage and leave the corner that's lower and then try to grow out that area where it's too high to try to match it to go even, that's the only thing you can do. And yes, it's gonna look horrible for quite some time. It's not gonna look even, it's gonna look, it's not gonna be something that you're gonna like, trust me. The only way to fix it is to let that area grow, and then every time you get your haircut, just make sure that the professional is stopping right, the stylist is stopping right where you need to go, right, to even it out. Also, I would suggest finding somebody else. If this person keeps messing your hair up or has done you dirty, man, it's time to move on to somebody who knows what they're doing because it's your hair, right? It's your hair. You know, and like I said, certain undercuts are easy to salvage. Like if there's pieces that are too low and everything's too high, without it looking like it's too high up, shave it off to even it out. Not a problem. You know, so some things are salvageable. Others, unfortunately, if you're the client, you have to let it grow. I know it may take some time, but let me know in the comments if you've experienced this before, if you have fixed it yourself, if you've done these techniques. I'd love to know.